Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It is KKDJ here and I'm back with a new video. Are you dumb? So in this video, as you can see by the title, I will be doing my hair. I'll be installing this wig that I got from iseehair on Amazon, and it took about 2 days to get to me. The hair is freaking beautiful. I love it. This is water wave in 22 inches, and it is a wig. Sent it to me, and throughout the video you guys are gonna see me like show you guys how the wig looks and all of that stuff. I don't sleep with my wigs, but just for the sake of this video, I wanted to sleep in the wig to, like, you know, see if it mats in the back and if like all of that stuff happened, which honestly the wig is a good wig. It comes pre-plucked, so it's easier for beginners that, you know, don't know how to pluck, because since I don't know how to pluck the best, and it came pre-plucked, so I didn't really have to do anything. The lace is kind of like I honestly think it's an invisible lace or like an HD lace, because it really blended with my complexion very well. But yeah, like the wig really, like, guys, the wig really did a good job. This wig is very nice. I got this wig in 22 inches. This is just the curls. Just show you guys all of that. You guys want to see how I installed this hair, which, guys, like, I don't know how to install hair, so if I can do it, you can definitely do it. But don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Follow me on all of my social media. Hit the notification bell so that you can get notified whenever I post. In my next video. Bye, guys. Just want to thank iseehair on Amazon quickly for sponsoring this video. But once you receive your package, in the box you would get your wig. My wig was not beat up, like it wasn't scrunched up or anything. I want to show you guys that it's 22 inches and it's in the hair texture water wave. And it came with 2 nude caps. I was so happy, as you can see. Like, they usually send black ones, so that was really good. And in the box it also has like their thank you card. It basically explaining like the reviewer program and like after sale service and stuff like that. The hair did not smell that bad, guys, so that was good. I just washed the hair and the smell went right away. Alright, so this is how pretty the wig looks. I know it's all scrunched up, but I already knew it looked good. So the wig is well constructed. So it has 4 clips inside the wig. I don't really use clips, so for the girls that do use clips, that's a plus. But the wig construction is so bomb. It's so comfortable. It feels like there's nothing on my head. You don't understand. And I think this is a 150 density. So whenever you guys get curly hair, get 150 density or low density, because it already gets very puffy. But here I'm showing like that is pre-plucked and how the lace like really blends with your skin, even though, like, I mean, it doesn't blend entirely, but like it blends some, like it blends a little bit, you know what I mean? So right now I already bleached the knots and everything, and I'm lifting it up because that koaled me. I thought I had a whole pimple, like no. But this is how it looks after I bleached it and everything. So I'm just pinning up the hair so that it's easier for me to cut the lace and do everything. Use the GOT2B glue spray, and I just spray it. usually do two sprays or 2 coats of it, but I'm gonna do a third one just in case, because I think I'm probably gonna sleep with this hair on so that you guys can actually get like a really good review of like the hair. Just make sure it hits. Okay, so I gotta cut that piece there. Just do one more. You can do 2 or 3, it's totally up to you, but I find this better than the blue. Okay, so now I'm cutting my lace, guys. I usually use like the eyebrow trimmer or the eyebrow shaver, whatever, from the beauty supply, but you know, I forgot to pick it up when I was at work, so, and I couldn't find the other one that I had, so I'm using this dirty scissors. Like, the scissor was not cutting properly, so I actually had to go and find a better scissors. So the front of the wig looks a little bit jagged because the scissors was not cutting. But as you can see, I got a better scissors and I started cutting it. But even after I filmed this video, I cut a little bit more off because I felt like a bunch of lace was showing. So what you guys are going to want to do is make sure that you cut the lace around your head shape, kind of like make it natural. Like, don't cut it straight, if that makes sense. So I'm not gonna put all the clips of me cutting the lace off, only because I want this video to be like a good amount of time. But as you can see, I'm just reapplying some of the GOT2B spray, and then I'm going to blow dry it soon. But as you can see, it already looks good. And guys, you know I do not know how to do hair, so this is easy, but it's not my best. I'm still getting better, obviously, because I'm still learning. But I just want to show you guys that, you know, if you don't know how to do hair, you can still do hair with this. And the lace was not hard to lay at all. Like, some laces are so tough, like you cannot lay it, but this one, like, it melted well, like really well. So I cut the lace to my best ability, and now I'm just doing my baby hairs. I was struggling with the baby hairs because the comb that I was using has a razor at the end, so it was cutting me, but I managed to do it, obviously. So I went into the washroom and like I finished the other side of my face, the baby hairs, because I just didn't want to do it on camera. I was in a rush and I had to go get my tattoo shaded in, so yeah. But this mousse that I'm using, Nairobi, it's sick. Like, it's bod. Like, this mousse is so sick, super sick. Like, you guys should go to your local beauty supply and buy that, because it's sick for making your hair look wet, it's sick for holding down the hair, sick for doing your baby hairs. Like, it's just a plus 10. But yeah, I'm just doing my baby hairs right now. Right now, I don't know why I was doing a middle part. I thought it would look good, but the middle part did not look how I wanted it to look. So then, obviously off camera, I did my hair in a side part. So yeah, but it looks really good. Like, where's the lace? I know you guys see that little part that is showing, but where's the lace? Oh guys, I had to come back and say this. Where's the lace though? Like, for real, this hair, the lace melted so sick. Like, guys, I don't even do hair, bro. Alright, so now I'm using my hot comb that I got from the local beauty supply, and I forgot how much it was, but I'm just flattening down the hair at the top so it can be flat as possible. As I said, I did not like how it set in the middle part because I was rushing, so I did a side part. But if you guys know this wax stick, it's so sick. Like, it makes sure your hair is down, like, super flat.